Hello dear 8th class students, welcome to today's maths class. Today's topic is continuation of this surface areas and volumes, which is our 14th chapter. 14th chapter continuation, surface areas and volumes. So in that we are continuing exercise 14.2 because we have only two exercises. First is over. Second also up to 3 problems completed. All of you open your textbooks and start from the fourth problem. All of you open your textbook, students. 14.2 exercise, actually this is the old textbook, and as per this the page number is 310 page number, but in your textbook the page number may differ. So fourth question, find the volume of each of the cube whose sides are. Side x is equal to 6.4. Volume of the cube. Volume formula. Direct formula for the volume. What is the volume of the cube formula? X cube. X is 6.4 whole cube. Volume is x cube. X means 6.4. So 6.4 whole cube. 6.4 into 6.4 into 6. Do it, students. First 64 into 64 into 64 you multiply. After that we can keep the decimal. To do it, multiply 64 into 64 and again with 64. Multiply 64 into 64 into 64. One digit, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 digits decimal. So centimeter cube. That's all, students. Same way do the second bit. .3 meters. No confusion. If the units are in meters, answer will be in meter cube. Do it, students. Volume of the cube formula x cube, that means side cube. What is the side? 1.3. 1.3 whole cube. Volume formula x cube, that is 1.3 whole cube. So 1.3 into 1.3 into 1.3. 13 into 13, 169. 13 into 13, 169 into 13. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So question is, given data is in meters, so this is in meter cube. Volume will be in cubic units. 13 into 13, 169. 169 into 13 is 2297. Right now, students. This is 21. Right now. 13 into 13, 169 into 13 is 2197. Decimal before one digit, before one digit, before one digit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 decimal. Meter. Meter, meter. Do the third bit also, just for practice. $1.6. Do it, students. Do it. Volume of the cube formula x cube, side is 1.6, so 1.6 whole cube, 1.6 whole cube means 1.6 into 1.6, 16 into 16, 256, 16 into 16, 256 into 16. One digit, two digits, three digits. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 decimal. 4.096 and meter cube. Right now. That's all. So third question, fourth question, all three bits completed. Students, complete this and read the fifth question. How many bricks will be required to build a wall of 8 meters long, 6 meters high, 22.5 centimeters thick if each brick measures 25 centimeters by 11.25 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So see here, students, we have to build a wall using the bricks. Like we are constructing the wall using the bricks. So how much much wall we require to construct. So volume of that wall. See here students. First I am taking the dimensions of the wall. Wall. Length is 8 meters. So because some units are in meters and some are in centimeters. So I am converting the total into centimeters. So 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters. And 8 meter long, 6 meters height, 6 meters. So 6 meters is equal to 600 centimeters. Thickness. See, thickness we can also call it as width or breadth, which is 22.5 centimeters. That's all. Length is 8 meters, height is 6 meters. 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters. 6 meters is equal to 600 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 22.5 centimeters. So volume of wall is equal to length into breadth into height, that is 800 into 600 into 22.5. Students, this is little confusing because theory questions and that too mensuration topics will be difficult to understand and difficult to solve. Formulas are simple, but understanding the question is difficult. So this is the wall. We are constructing a wall. What is the volume of the wall? Volume of the wall is length into breadth into height. Length is 8 meters, which is nothing but 800 centimeters. Breadth is 22.5 centimeters. Any order you can write. Any order. H is 600. Same order. Anyway you are multiplying, any order you can write. So breadth is 22.5 centimeters, height is 6 meters, which is nothing but 600 meter cube. Leave it. Leave it. Now brick. Consider one brick. One brick length is 25 centimeters. Breadth is 11.25 centimeters. Height is 6 centimeters. See, anyway you can take length, breadth, height, any order you can take. First one I am taking as length, second one as breadth, third one is height. So like this, students. So what is the volume of the brick? (25 into 11.25 into 6). This is the volume of the brick. See here, number of bricks required. Number of bricks required to build the wall. How to do? See, total volume of the wall is this much and volume of each brick is this much. So number of bricks required is equal to volume of wall y by volume of brick. Each brick. That's all. This is the answer. So what is the volume of the wall? Volume of the wall is 800 into 22.5 into 600 by volume of brick is 25 into 11.25 into 6. Right on, friends. Simplification you do, you will get the answer. Volume of wall by volume of each brick. Remember this. Total, find the volume of the wall, find the volume of the brick. I am not simplifying because anyway this will get cancelled. We will get the answer. So write down it here. If you can simplify, you start. Otherwise, I will simplify. Do it. volume of wall by volume of brick. Length, breadth, height. Length into breadth into height. Length, breadth, height. Length into breadth into height. This answer by this answer gives the required answer. Write down. Students, simplification is little difficult because so many 6 numbers, that too big numbers and that too decimals. See here. To remove this decimal, after decimal 2 digits. After decimal 2 digits, so write 100 in the numerator. 2 zeros you have to keep. To remove the decimal in the denominator, after decimal 2 digits, so put 100 in the numerator. To receive after decimal 1 digit, to remove this, after decimal how many digits? 1 digit, so 1 0. Students, simplify this. This is 800 into 22.5. I will keep the decimal afterwards. 600 by 25 into 1125 into 6. Remove the decimal, put 1 0 here. Removing the decimal after decimal 1 digit, so put 10. After decimal 2 digits, so 2 zeros in the numerator. You simplify this. Six ones are 6 tens. 5 twos are 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. 225, 225 cancel. 25 ones are 25 fours are 6400. 6400 bricks are required. Right now. Right. Understand this concept. So volume of the wall by volume of the brick. The number of bricks required we will get. Sixth question. Students, there are two figures. One is cuboid one is cube. Two figures, cuboid and cube. See, first for cuboid, first figure is cuboid, length is given 25 centimeters, breadth is given 15 centimeters, height is given 8 centimeters. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid are given 25, 15, 8. Volume we have to find. What is the volume formula? Length into breadth into height. 25 into 15 into 8. 25 into 8, 200. 200 into 15, 3000. 3000 centimeter cube. Next, for cube, side x is equal to 16 centimeters. See students, I separated the problem into two problems. One is cuboid and cube. Cuboid length is given, breadth is given, height is given, volume is length into breadth into height. For cube, only side, only one dimension, because cube all sides are equal. So only one dimension, that is 60. So volume is, volume of the cube formula x cube, that is 16 cube. That is nothing but 16 into 16 into 16. 16, 16, the 256 into 16. Right now, students. So I calculate the volume of this cuboid and cube. Both the values I calculated. See the question. How much of the volume will be difference? What is the difference? Difference means minus. Difference, sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. Do it. Difference in volumes. First you complete this. After this you write. Which is the bigger one? This is bigger one. Bigger one minus smaller one. What is the difference? What is the difference between 13 and 8? Difference means minus. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Like the difference between these two means. So difference means minus. So 4096 minus 3000 is equal to 1096. So units are in centimeter. That's all, students. Over. So write down up to here and remaining 4 problems in the next class. Sorry, this is centimeters cube. Centimeter. It is in centimeters. Difference in volume means this bigger volume minus smaller. Difference means minus. That's all.